Hi, Alandis. When you are using this platform, if you know that how it is working, because sometimes you will be having a hard to believe, no, the way you have looked the market, no, someone is saying in a some different way to look at things. But trust me, the once you start looking in this way, no, so you will be feeling no that you got a direction. So whether you are a fundamental, whether you are technical, so you'll be getting a clear direction that I need to focus or read these businesses. I'll show you that. Sorry. So if I come on, we have a sectoral indices. I have created my own index. You can see from here also, there are multiple index we have. Apart from that, my index I have created. In my index, you can create your own index, whatever you want to create. Now, if you go on 20th of April, you will see that 8 out of 8 cable stocks are scoring, performing. And if you want to see that what is the trend, you can see that it is 8% already, it is moving the last 22 days. Even if you go further, no, back, you will be seeing that cable sectors are performing. I'm just giving an example from here also. Now, if you look cable sector, just click over here. The high scoring company is Birla Cable, RR Cable, Diamond Power, Phenolics Cable, Quartz Cable, Universal Cable, all these businesses. And where it is now, if I go and check as on date, where those businesses are. Now I just want to show you as of now where it is. Say Birla Cable. It was at a 150 level in this zone. From in this zone, almost this area to it has gone up to almost 90%. Now, if I take similar example of RR cable also, yeah, sorry. So in RR cable also, you will see from 1400 level, it has gone up 95, 96%. So the point is even a diamond power, you take anything, no? So right sector, how much is beneficial for you? And people will be saying you so many complicated way to look at things. So end of the day, you need to take your decisions. Whatever when sector runs, find the reason why sector is running. See 120% or something. And you may be able to caught those if, move because no every time it I'll not say that every move you can catch. Even if you're riding the sector, any of the sector leaders, whatever you understand, whether it is a B2B, you'll see that 147% return from here to today it was I guess 1724. So now if you participate, so it may take a pause, it may again grow because cable is not a one like it was when it was a copper price was going up, inventory was having a issue for a small B2B companies. There were a lot of delay in a project announcement. Now data center replacement cycle all are coming together. If you look at the commentary, if you go through the business con calls, so it will become easy for you to take the decision if you are early. 140% return over last 4 5 months, even 3 4 months, even if you take 100% 50% return, you will be ahead of others. Now, the point is how you are using the platform. So whether you will get a clear trend always. So once you get a clear trend, that no, this is the sector, no, which are at somewhere something is happening. Even in a capital market, even in a jewelry sector, if you look at, like you will see, Birla Cable, what Birla Cable was 150. Birla Cable was that time score. Why we have given score? Which are more strong? How much it is having a distance? Whether you want to select that this or this, it is a B2C, it is a B2B. Once you go and start reading all those businesses, it will be easier for you to. Now it is at a 2700 level. Think about a 15,000 crore company also can create wealth. It was 15,000 crore, now 31,000, almost it is double. Now, if you go and check what company is doing, we have tried to mention business in a way so everyone can understand. Now you go and deep dive on annual report. Everything if you want to understand through AI, it is not going to help you. But we have done know your company not a boring way. You should understand that how they have started, how company makes money, who are their customer, what can drive future growth. All this thing has given. Now everything. Now, once you know business, I found that people know names, but people don't know the business model. And presenting information is not analysis. Once you know the company and their history, your 50% work done. Now you go on a LinkedIn, go on a different website, their website, what they are doing, their post on LinkedIn, employee comments, higher officials, what they are posting. So all this, what photos, where they're going, what kind of a program they're attending, that will give you some more information. Information analysis is not only reading numbers, it is beyond numbers. Once you start reading number, once you start looking at things that, okay, fine, this company is continuously growing. Now, whether there is a pause in profit or anywhere, nothing. There is a sideways movement in 2024-25 after that upward journey. So what has happened? Stock also moved upward. So earlier there is a dent in margin 2025. Now we are looking at an improvement in margin. So now everything is under control. If you go and read the filings, con calls, all these things, that what kind of a questions they're asking, what kind of, why we have given key questions. See, everything is not for taking a quick decision, how quick you can read. But from key question, you can really understand, okay, these are the thing actually I need to look at. Like these are the thing generally an expert asks on a conference call. Once you know what type of question to be asked, you know the problem as well. Because they are asking their doubts, problems, or expectation from a particular company. So this is going to help in this way. Why we are giving this also, if you go on a filter stock section and top 100 scan, I don't know until April backtest we have over here or not. But if we have, as of now, we don't have, we will make sure that we are applying over here also. So if you come recent backtest, you can do a recent month. 3, 4 months backtest, maybe we have not given in the filter section, but that also will implement with my team. So once you look at thing, no, from here also, once you understand which sector is moving, try to look at, fine. Now, if I come on this custom index, I will look now on 17th August, which are the sector is scoring. Last few days also, even if you look at, no, you will see that even 11th, if I put, you will see QSR is doing good. Uh, Kitchen utensils are doing good, and definitely you will see the like QSR has done fantastic, even if you put no. So whenever you come and try to see that what is happening, what is the purpose, what is the purpose, even on 5th August, if you go, QSR is there. The purpose is that whenever you are going to this section, coming to this section, try to look at businesses where money flow is positive and price action is positive. Last 5 days, if you just look at that, which are not very extended but positive price action, you will see over here shipping 2.34%. And if I just short out with a 1 day percentage, sugar is having some positive activity. Then ramming mass is having a positive activity for a multiple days. And score wise, if I look at that, I want to see which other sector to be looked at. You will see ramming mass is on top. Out of three stock, two stocks are scoring, and e-waste recycling, it is in a flat. Ramming mass already moved. Three stock in e-waste recycling, two stocks are there out of one. Out of that two, no one is performing. That you can check. Okay, fine. In Namo Waste, maybe it's scoring good 2.80%. Another is not performing. You may skip as well. Now, if you come on aerospace defense, you will see in aerospace defense, BDL, Midhani, Unimec, Dynamatic Tech. So these companies are doing good. Now Diamond Dynamatic Tech, 3% away from a 20 MA company sector is having a huge potential. Russell Tech, all these businesses are having a huge potential. Score wise, you can short out, and then you can see the market cap. Then you can read. I that I want to read all these businesses. Now, even if you come on a filter section, just quick scan. You don't have time. Do quick scan. You'll be getting all best businesses which are having a highest demand, which are having a promoter holding 60% and above. So we have no clubbed. Now, if you want to modify anything, you can modify. If you want to check top 100 scan, you can check top 100 scan. And you can see always whenever you come on a top 100 scan, try to look at stocks which are making a high, like Dolphin is making high, but it has moved. Try to find out a businesses which has not moved much. Maybe Rishabh Instrument, 2.32%, 5.87%, then 6% last 5 days. It is also flat. VGuard. This kind of a businesses, now you can cap it that I want know something not moved last 66 days less than 30% and last 22 days less than 20%. Now what will happen? You will get only those businesses. It may be, and one more filter you can put. You want something, no, at least 1% positive. Today, whatever positive you want, you don't want any negative stock to come. So you'll see Picadilla, Uttam Sugar, Laser Power, Sugar sector already, like you were seeing on a money flow was there. Vigord. Now, why you are coming over here? Every day you don't have to come. You can you can actually select whenever you are selecting any sector. If you find that okay, no, this is the sector where I should look at. Say if I put RSI, I want maximum 70. I don't want, sorry, I think more field. Yes. So RSI maximum 70 I want. So you'll get this laser power. Now you have multiple choice. One, I'm saying my understanding, don't chase something very extended. Which are extended, we have sorted out that we don't want any extended. Now look at businesses which are making last 5 days. Even if you look at no last 5 days, you want to cap. that I want to cap last 5 day by say 15%. I don't want any stock which has moved more than 15%. So you won't get all those businesses. It will be out from your screen. Now try to look at the which stocks are scoring high and movement is low. Indigo Paints, CIMEC, Midani, Wellspun, Q Power, all these business are coming. So you don't have to now your job is to know look at those businesses from a fundamental technical point of view that where money flow is higher. Even if you look at start looking, okay, fine, Midani high money flow, positive 5 day closure, 22 days. Trend is aligned. Trend is aligned. So all the trends are aligned whenever you may go for a Wellspun Living, I may go for something else. It's not necessary that whatever will come, you'll have to go. You'll have to first understand the sector, then you need to select the business. I may go Vijay Diagnostic, no, it looks good to me. I may not go something. So stock selection will be a different game. One may go on a Gravita India. It is slowly coming on a trend. Now all the trains are aligned. All the trains are aligned. Once you go and search in that way, no, you'll be getting much like only few stocks on your radar. Download it. If you want to check those on a chart, you can check. Okay, fine. This is something, no, some gap up has happened. Now today also after 3 days retracement pullback, someone is buying. So in this way, no, you can connect all these dot. Now fundamental you want to check. You want to check and no, I want to see no that which other companies are fundamentally also doing good. In the same screen also you can check. You want to go and check details. You can also put favorite. And if you put favorite, it will come on your watch list. And in your watch list, whatever scan you are doing, it may be high priority filing scan, it may be quarterly result scan, it may be your all announcement scan, or maybe breakout daily top 100 scan. So you'll see that, okay, these are the companies what there. Manorama added when? 1 second. If you come, you will see added at 1737 rupees. Now where it is 1943. So whatever the reason, you can write over here. There is a note. You can create a note, you can write down. We have given a journal as well. That suppose you want to put a that I want to create a journal that this is my trading journal. You create your log trade if you want to create that this is my log, this is the reason. Sector is in uptrend, cable sector, capex trigger is going on, order inflow is happening. So whatever, maybe not applicable something. If it is not applicable, if it is not applicable, so risk, what can go wrong, why I entered, everything you can journal. And what will be, it will become no your diary where you can actually come back and see, okay, you have recorded all these things and this is your logic. So you can repeat. Once you record your failure, success, so you won't repeat that mistakes. If it is your any kind of a mistakes you have done, and if it is your successful trade, you will try to find out that what are the things you have looked at. It may be anything. So those we have given, we don't want to give no spoon feeding thing that you will be getting that I want this, I want this. What will happen? No, so where all are going, everyone is going towards AI, quick, quick, quick. People won't make money much because there will be a different data formation. There will be complete different. People will not be reading. People will be grabbing information so fast, and they won't be able to grab information or retain information in the brain. Brain is having a capacity. AI may hold those information, but you may not. So you still feel no that your personal touch when you read, when you just write, there is something what you won't be able to get from AI. You can present somebody in a that you want to create a 10 pages, 10 pager, some notes. You don't want to create. You just tell your thought. It will create a 10-page thought. If you want to modify, you can modify with the help of AI. Or you want to write some 1 or 2 pages, and then you ask that what are the changes required, please tell me. So those thing AI is required. Otherwise, if you just ask every time, every day, tell me this, what will happen? No, you will lose your ability over a period of time. I'm not saying effective, not effective. It may be effective, but equally, if you engage yourself, people made money by engaging themselves. But yes, people will be benefited also, those who unable to understand maybe initial stage. But after a certain period of time, when anything like goes away, no, for a timing, if I say, it will be updated AI. But once you are habituated, and if it is cost is very high or something, no, it's not your pocket friendly or something, you may feel, or due to any competition, you don't know which one to select. Now people are having a overflow of information, and that is a benefit I feel. Like a trading journal, we have a dashboard where you can investment thesis, what changes, fundamental, you want to put something. All trading journal, you can add your company, you can write your trading journal, investment thesis, anything you want. So that's it. And anything comes in your mind, no? So that is why once you start doing a back testing things, it will become easy for you. Now for me, it is simple. If I come on a custom end sector and stock, in my index, even if I come, I'll see the money flow is coming on a defense. And if I go on a defense, these are my defense. If I go that which are the company, Ajad is already extended from 16%. So HAL may be doing good, Unimac also gone up, Masdog. So now these are my selected businesses. It's not necessary. You can select your different list. What you have, we have given in a aerospace and defense. Aerospace and defense, there will be a very big list. Also, you can create your own list, whatever stock you want to add over there. So, BDL, Midhani, Unimec, now you select which are very close to EMA, where score is high, where movement is aligned with last 3 days and not extended. In this way, you need to select and do comments. Once you are using, no, you'll be seeing a difference, huge difference within you. You don't have to ask anyone, then he'll be automatically reading businesses, and I don't have to say anything over YouTube, no, that how to look at things. And that is the objective of making platform. If I need to make continuous video how to use, and if you are effective user, you'll be using. Do comment what hurdles, even if you are facing. Give us a feedback. We are open to get a feedback from all of you.